everybody, this is Shauna from Nexus Shooting. I am the store manager here at South Florida's premier 5-star rated gun range. And today I would like to introduce you to some new firearms that we're going to be getting. However, first I would like to just explain a few things. First, I am a Glock armor, and we also are a blue label dealer for Glock. With that, I would like to first show you several firearms, but I'm going to clear them out so everybody knows that safety is definitely #1 with everything that we do. This first one is a 19 Gen 4. You can see it's cleared. This happens to be the Glock 19 new Gen 5. And this is the Glock 17 Gen 5. Okay, let's talk about the difference between the Gen 4 and the Gen 5 and their appearance and some of the mechanisms. Over here on this side is the Gen 4. Over here is the Gen 5. And if you'll notice on the Gen 5, the new beveled edge on the front of the slide, this allows for easy reholstering. If you slide up the side a little bit, you have some new features as well. The first one is going to be your trigger. As you can see the difference here between the Gen 4 and the Gen 5, this is the 4. This one is serrated slightly where the trigger is, and on the Gen 5, it's now smooth and slightly rounded for your finger. In addition, you also no longer have finger grooves on the Gen 5, whereas you did on the Gen 4. An additional improvement on the Gen 5 is the coating, which you can tell here. The Gen 5 has NDLC finishing. It's a little bit more durable than the previous model. Glock's new barrel is a marksman's barrel, which is used for improved accuracy. Slide release on this, for all of you left-handed shooters are going to love this. It's still in the same position for both the Gen 4 and the Gen 5. However, on the Gen 5, there is now a slide release on the other side of the firearm. Let's look at the bottom of the grip. On the Gen 4, it's straight across. On the Gen 5, the magwell is flared out, enlarged, and beveled to help guide the magazine in. And I'm going to flip these over really quick so you can tell the other side, see the difference. Whereas on the Gen 4 is straight across. On the Gen 5, there's a cutout, which will allow easier removal and stripping of your magazine. So let's talk about what actually comes in the box when you purchase your new firearm. As you can see, it comes with 3 magazines. It comes with your magazine loader, and it comes with additional back straps, which will help make interchanging your hand grip a little bit easier for you. As you can see also on the magazines, the follower is orange compared to the black on the Gen 4. Okay, let's do some accuracy testing on the new Gen 5 on our world famous live fire Nexus Lanes, where you use a real gun and real ammo to shoot at video targets. First, let's do a 5-shot group. Accuracy seems to be pretty good. All bullseyes. Let's try a little fun with the shooting gallery next and knock over some ducks. Works pretty well there. Glocks are known to be the go-to gun for the end of the world for a lot of people. Let's see if it can protect us from crashing asteroids.